Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. So today we are back with our new class, new lecture in which we are going to learn bitwise operators, different bitwise operators. So let's start. Let me open the Sublime. So for you I have created a little bit operations on bitwise AND, bitwise OR and bitwise logic XOR. So first of all we can see bitwise AND. So what bitwise AND will do, if we pass A and B input, what will it return? So here we can see that if we pass 0 and 0, then it will return 0. If we pass 0 1, it will return 0 1 0, then 0 1 1. In this condition only we will get 1. So I have to do a little correction here. Now in bitwise OR, if 0 0 then 0 0 1 then 1 1 0 1 and 1 1, obviously we are getting 1. And XOR, in logic XOR we are getting 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 0. So let's start implementing this using opencv on our images. So as you all know, we have to import first cv2, then import numpy as np, then we have to create image 1 with np dot zeros, which create our black image with dimension 512 comma 3 channels, then np dot uint 8. Now next we have to create a white rectangle on our image. Then for that we have function cv2 dot rectangle, and we have to pass the image 1 and the coordinates over where we have to create a dimension white color box. So 200, then comma 300 comma 0, 300 comma 100. Then we have to pass the color. So 255 comma 255, this is for white, and we have to pass the last parameter -1 to fill that box with the white color. So we can see that is it perfect or not. So we can pass image and comma image 1 and cv2 dot wait key. As you all know what we are doing using wait key, destroy all windows. So we are getting some error, there is spelling mistake, rectangle. So as you can that we have created a white box in our image using cv2 dot rectangle. Now let me read our next image, which we are going to read through in our data folder cv2.timeread. So then we have to pass opencv tutorial, then slash data slash image 1.jpg. Now let me check if this image is loaded or not. This is just a half white and half black image. So you can see that this is half white and half black, is too large. We have to resize it. So for resizing, you all know what we have to do. cv2 dot resize, and then we have to pass the image 2 comma 512 comma 512. Now let me see. Yeah, you can say that it got decreased in the size. So now let me apply our first bitwise AND operator. So let me bitwise end equals to cv2 dot bitwise end. Then we have to pass image 2 comma image 1. So cv2 dot I am show. Then we have to pass window name bitwise end. Then we have to pass bitwise end. Let me comment down this one for now. Okay, I don't have to comment this one for now because I want to show you the difference. cv2 dot I am show image 1 and this is the image 2. Then we have to pass image 1. So as you can see that, so as we have studied over here that bitwise 0 0 we get 0, the portion in this image and in this image which are showing 0, so we will got 0, and 1 0 1 0 1 we will get 1. So 1 is for white color, so 1 and 1 we are getting 1 because this is the common one. And I think okay, over here, yeah, right, this one is bitwise end. So 0 1 we will get 0 because this is white portion, this is a black portion. So 1 0 we will get black, 1 0 we will again get black. So by implementing bitwise end we are getting 1 1. It means this white portion and this white portion is common, so we are getting the bitwise end as a white portion over here. So that's it. So now let's move over in a second operator, which is bit or. So for that we have a function bitwise or. In this same we have to pass image 2 comma image 1. So let me comment down this for right now, then copy paste, let me uncomment. Now we have bit or operator, so let me correct the variable name. Bitwise or, so we have to change the name and to or. Now first me check what is bitwise or is doing. 0 0 0 0 1 we are getting 1, 1 0 we are getting, it means the white portion is dominant over here. So as you can see that, okay, so you can see that 1 0 we are getting 1, 1 1 is 1, 1 0 we are getting 1. Yeah, so this is working fine. Let's move in our next operator. Okay, why my cursor is not visible? Okay, just leave it for now. Now we have bit XOR. So for that we have cv2 dot bitwise XOR. So as you can write in bitwise XOR, what we are doing, 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 is also 0. So the portion which image 2 comma image 1. So now let comment this right for now. Let me copy this Then let me paste it here. Let me uncomment this portion. Now this is Bitwise XOR. Let me copy and paste. Let me run now. So as you can see that 0 1 we are getting 0. So 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 we are getting 1, and for 1 0, okay, this portion is 1 and this portion is 0, so we are getting 1, and for the portion we are getting 1, and for 1 1 we are getting 0. Yeah, right, this one is portion 1 and this portion 1, so we are getting 0. Yeah, that's perfect. Now the last one is Bitwise NOT. Bitwise nothing but it will convert the white 1 to 0 or 0 to 1, means white to black, black to white. So CV2 Bitwise NOT operation we have. So I have to write it on the top. Let me move it on the top over here. Now I have to pass the image 1 only over here. So let me bit not. So let me comment it for now. Copy it. Then Bitwise NOT. So copy this and paste this. So Bitwise NOT, we don't want to see our first image. Same. Now let me run. So as you can see that, okay, for Bitwise NOT I have to show my first image. So as you can see that the white portion got black and black portion got white. The same we will do with the image 2. So I am just copying image 2. Okay, I have to pass image 2 over here too. Yeah, you can see that the white portion got shifted, black converted to white and white converted to black, so it just swap. So that's all my friends. So now we will meet in our next class with a new topic, and stay tuned. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe if you like my channel. So I have started recently, so I hope so. Thank you. That's all my friend. Thank you. Bye. Let's meet in our next lecture.